morning of November 20th. It's real frosty out, nice and cold. Seen a little bit of deer movement already. Moving in the thickets, so I haven't really had much in the open. So hopefully pretty soon we'll get one to step out in the open, and we'll see if we can't give her a whack. On my way in, I put a little buck stop matrix out, doe and heat. Put some about 25 yards away from the stand there. I'm going to put a little bit here up in the stand just to help with the wind. That way, if something does get downwind, maybe they can pick the scent up a little bit better. It's a lot of tall grass in here, so. "150 yards, just dropped a buck. Holy cow. What a shot." Man, I'm excited. Not the biggest buck in the woods, but whoo, I am excited. Wow. Unreal. Awesome. Alright, I'm out of the stand now. We're going to start working our way through the swamp grass 150 yards out and see what we got. So, come along with me. Alright, I see him laying there, so I'm going to turn the camera on him and we'll go in and check him out. Bad looking buck right there. Heck yeah, look at that, he's even got a sticker. Got a sticker right there. Almost another one here. So looks like he's gonna be a 9. Got some nice tine height on them. Nice deer. One happy camper right here. It's been a long season. Just haven't seen a lot of mature deer. Haven't seen a lot of deer in general. So they just started to show up quite a bit recently, and kept after it. Gotta say thanks to my wife for kind of kicking me out of bed this morning, and she says now I can quit pouting. So got a long ways to drag them out of here. I better get after it, and we'll touch base in a bit. Well, that was some work right there. 150 yards with a shotgun, dropped him in the spot. Of course, that means I've got to pull him 200 yards out of the swamp to the truck by myself. About a foot of water, that helped a little bit. So I tell you what, it's been a good morning. Had a blast, couldn't be happier. True outdoor addiction, baby.